Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. Begin with opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and select an app. I will go with Maps. Now you need to click on one of those options under Allow Maps to Access, like Location, and tap on one of those. Never ask next time or when I share or while using the app. I will go with Never, so now when I go back, as you can see, Maps no longer have access to this device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!